Yeah. So I think I'll have you guys walk, and then Matt, you'll just kind of like look back at her. I think we're going for like editorial vibes, I think.
Okay.
So like kind of like serious faces or smirks. Yeah, I'll tell you guys when we're doing like happy ones. Does that make sense? Okay.
Walk towards you?
Yes, yeah.
And then look at me, and then I'm looking at him.
Yeah, you can kind of lead her a little bit, and maybe even like lead less, lead more, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. I have my my recording mode is on 2 SD cards, but I only have 1 in.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Do it again.
How's the first good?
Very cute. Okay, you guys can stop here. Let's move you into the sunlight, like right here. Yeah. Perfect. Wow, this is really pretty. Like this, yeah.
Okay, I'm glad.
So I'm gonna have you guys hold hands, but maybe stand a little bit farther apart. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, and then Matt, I'm gonna have you just kind of like gazing off that way.
Face this way?
Yeah, whatever feels natural. You can put your hand maybe in your pocket.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. And then Lindsay, you're gonna be looking right at me.
Soft smile or like big smile?
I like what you're doing right now, so whatever that is. Wow, this is so pretty. And you guys wanna look at each other? Let's create even more space. Yeah, perfect. And then you, Lindsay, are going to spin into his arms like this.
Okay.
And then Matt, when she gets in there, just give her like a nice hug,
Okay.
shake her around a little bit, whatever. Yes, that's really cute. Perfect. Love it. Okay, I was thinking of poses in my head on the way here, so we're gonna like go through those real quick. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we'll do anything.
Perfect. And you're a photographer too, so you like get the vibe.
I get it.
You know it. Okay, let me try to explain this. I wish I could use Charlie. So Lindsay, you guys are gonna face each other. You're gonna be in like hug mode, but your arm is gonna be around his head and like up. Yeah, like that, yeah. And then your other hand maybe just like on his face or something. He's like, watch the hair. Yeah,
Here?
yeah. And then Matt, you're gonna be just like, I think your head is gonna be on that side of her face, just like giving her kisses on the face. Yeah.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Okay, and Lindsay, you're gonna actually turn your face towards me. Okay. So that same pose, but like your face is towards me. Matt, you're just gonna be like, literally just like putting your face on the side of her face. Like,
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And Lindsay, that arm, are you able to like put it on his? Yes, like that. Does that feel weird?
A little, like, maybe, I don't know. Does it look
It looks
weird?
really,
Okay,
it looks
then we'll
good.
do it. Then we'll
Maybe
do
this
it.
hand like on his neck, yeah. And why don't you look off that way for me? All right, and then looking right at me. Cute. Let's add a little bit more movement. So Matt, I'm gonna have you kind of dip her back a little bit. Lindsay, you can kind of like pop a leg up. Yeah, cute. Yeah, give her some kisses on the face. Yeah, this is cute. You guys are doing very good. Just keep interacting with each other. Yes, hands. Okay, Lindsay. Going rogue.
No.
Yeah, no, keep, you can just keep going in and out with your hands, I think. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys actually far apart, I think. Just kind of holding hands in the middle. And Matt, maybe you could pop a leg up on the rock. Nah. I was thinking kind of like this.
Like this. Not like this.
He's like, how do I do that? You don't have to if that doesn't, it doesn't look super natural.
It feels long.
Okay, yeah. No, you don't have to. Lindsay, why don't you just cross a leg? Yeah, yep. And I'm gonna have you guys, Matt, we're gonna do the same thing where you're looking kind of off.
Okay.
And Lindsay, I'm gonna have you looking right at me. Cool, you guys can look at each other. Could I actually have you guys switch spots for me?
Yeah, sure.
Except the spot actually looks better.
It's all in your head.
So same thing.
Yeah.
It's like fine. Or...
Yeah. Maybe drop it. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna pop. So do I go straight at you now and then she goes out, or that way? And she
I'm gonna keep you looking kind of off of this way. Your legs, is there something that would feel natural for you to do with your legs? It almost just kind of feels like they're just hanging there. You know what I mean?
like what if I like just kind of sat? I mean,
Yeah, you could, yeah, if you wanna like,
is that fine? Like kind of just...
maybe, yeah. Or you could actually sit on the rock.
Probably pop up like right there.
Yeah,
Or like with legs drop.
that probably looks more natural. It probably hurts though.
A little bit more, but for the photo.
Do it for the photo.
For the gram?
Graham.
We're here for it.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe.
Why don't you come right here and lean,
Oh yeah.
and then like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
There
the
you
solution.
There's my legs. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Why don't you actually fully like, I'm thinking like a full face that way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yep, perfect. Yeah, you can hold hands. Matt, why don't you look like this way? Yeah, And you guys can look at each other and smile. And then serious faces. Perfect. I like, Lindsay, your positioning. So Matt, I'm gonna have you go, maybe just go around and just like prom pose her, you know what I mean? Like standing behind her. Yeah, that's pretty. And then I'm gonna have you guys just like looking at each other like that, I think. Yeah. Lindsay, can you turn your face towards me, and Matt, you're gonna give her just kisses on the face.
Still look this way.
Yeah. And then looking right at me, Lindsay, big smiles. Yeah, like a laugh. Cute. Yeah, you guys can look at each other. Oh, I'm falling. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna have you guys go behind the rock. Yeah, so Lindsay, what if you sit here, legs this way?
Okay. Let's see. There we go.
Yeah, that's really cute. And then Matt, you're gonna be just like on this side. Yeah, I know. I'm so sorry.
No, but
This arm can go like around her stomach maybe. This arm can stay down, just like,
This arm.
yeah. That's cute. Maybe that hand can go on the rock or something. Yeah, perfect. Yes, that's so cute. Yeah, looking at me with straight faces. This is definitely the one. Just gonna tell you right now. It's the one, yeah.
I'm like getting my ab workout.
Yeah, I bet.
Back. Maybe I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Okay, perfect. Cool. And then Matt, you're gonna be looking off that way. Lindsay, right at me still. And then Lindsay straight ahead. And then can you guys turn towards each other and just smile at each other? Yeah, that's cute. Give her some kisses on the face. Beautiful, and then Lindsay, your left hand, can you reach it up and like touch his face? Yes, yeah. Give it a lean back, yeah. That's adorable. Going for a kiss. Cool. We're gonna be back like this. Does that make sense? And you're like fully leaning.
Okay. So you're gonna pick me up, and then I'm gonna lean back.
You also like could just be on your feet. So you're gonna put your arms around her waist and she's gonna like go like this.
Okay, I'm gonna like this.
Yeah, and you guys are gonna be spinning though. So you know what I mean? So like literally you can stay like this and start spinning in circles, and then whenever it feels right, just like,
Okay.
you know what I mean?
All right, there we go. Hold me.
I get dizzy so fast.
Imagine me alone. Was like,
I have no idea.
okay,
How about this? Spin and then
I think my
go
problem
back.
is my
and then-
shoe.
Okay, why don't we do like the typical, like he picks you up under your butt, you drape your arms, yeah, and do that
Okay.
type of spin.
I think it's my shoes because I'm like,
Yeah, that's understandable.
Stomp.
some.
Yeah, get a little closer with your faces. Cute. Going for a kiss.
Just not like hold.
Cute. Yeah, that's perfect.
Just like slipping. Oh, hold on.
I know. That would literally be me. That would be me.
This is why I can't get an Apple Vision Pro.
Oh, yeah.
Can't even spin like 3 times. I'm supposed to put that on my face.
Okay, let's do just a little bit of walking then. Just to, so yeah, to reset. So let me have you guys walk like pushing in and out, but I think we'll do like pushing in and out and going zigzag.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. So I'll start like go out and then in.
Yeah, you guys just. Yeah, keep it going.
Pull me.
Yeah, and then go in for a kiss. Cute, and maybe like dip her back a little bit. We could do like grab her leg type of thing. Do you know what I mean? Like this? Yeah. And then just like laughs. Yeah, lean her back one more time. Very cute. Okay. I think we got what we need.